Just a few weeks ago, we got a call from the district superintendent that I will be moving. I'm moving churches. That means is that in July, Restoration will receive a new pastor. I could not have handpicked a better person to come in. It's been a joy to live life with you as you strive for full restoration. I'm grateful for you, and I'm excited to hear all that you're going to do over the next years.
Restoration, it truly is an honor to serve as your pastors this coming July.
We have done great things in the last 7 years as a church community, and with a lot of prayer and some discernment, we are pleased to announce that we are going to be moving our in-person worship to South Lakes High School and the auditorium here at South Lakes High School. So we're here today to make the announcement